Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to update capitec limit on app. So to update your capitec account limit using the capitec mobile app, follow this simple step-by-step guide and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to launch the capitec app on your smartphone, then log in using your remote pin. Then after that, you have to tap on the transact from the home screen, then select card settings or manage limit depending on your app version. So once you do that, then look for update limit or increase or decrease limit. Then after that, you have to choose the type of limit you want to update, such as you can update your limit based on your ATM withdrawal limit, card purchase limit, online shopping limit, EFT payment limit, and also you can enter your new limit amount and confirm. Then once that is done, you need to authenticate and confirm. So to do that, the app may ask for biometric verification, which is your fingerprint or your face ID if you're an iPhone user, or your remote pin. Then once verified, your limit will be updated instantly, and that's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can simply update your capitec limit on app. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thank you.